friends, I am in the shooting booth right now. Everybody is shooting the Scorpion Evo from ASP. Got future Sladies right now shooting it. Awesome. Nah. Excuse me. I'm recording right now.
Recording me?
Yeah.
It's the seamy underbelly of the airsoft world. These kids how to shoot guns. We're such an evil industry.
Yes. We got Sladies in the making right now.
Ladies in the making.
Yeah. Great. Hooray!
New ASG fans in the making.
What do you think?
That's amazing.
It's fun, huh? I like it. Shooting booth line. Say hi. You're on YouTube. Yeah. I am hanging out with my buddy Jason in the VooDoo booth. He's awesome. VooDoo Tactical.
Hey, how y'all doing today?
Super. So, you want to tell me kind of what you have here? What you have going on?
So, today we just brought out a couple things out to Evike, just to kind of show off what all the players check out. Got my VooDoo Tactical goggle set. Comes with 3 lenses.
3 lenses!
3 lenses.
Holy crap.
Dual pane, thermal, fog resistant, ANSI rated, so that you're impact tested, you know, your eyeballs are going to be safe.
That's good. bbheroes has a video out using these, right?
bbheroes has a video out. He does an incredible run, full loadout, and they don't even fog up on him.
That's crazy because bbheroes is like in the swamp.
They retail for about $60, so a little bit up there, but you're protecting your eyeballs. That's an important thing.
It is. I got a free sticker. I'm in the Elite Force booth now. What's up, Vince?
Vince Vance here? He's famous.
Oh my God, Vince is here! I wanted to...
No looker.
Oh, snap. Behind the scenes right now, sort of, I guess.
Sort of.
I'm at the ASG booth with Bob.
Bob?
And Peter.
Hi.
He's from Denmark, so that's exciting.
We stuck him over here in a container of Evos. But don't tell anyone.
How many Evos? Oh, there's Nog. Ooh, tactical Teddy. Oh, sweet. Who's getting into trouble? I'm at the American Milsim booth right now. Russo and his beautiful beard. Beautiful.
Working hard over here.
You're working so hard, man.
I know.
Look, not working over
Look at
here.
the amount of suck that's happening. We're closing deals.
Oh, really? What kind
Driving
of deal?
automobiles.
Check it out, guys. I'm here with a stormtrooper.
Yeah.
Can you hit anything? Awesome. Hit him with all the pistols. What's up, Gene? Crazy. Full auto, do it. Here with some Sladies. We got Hasmi and Becca. What's your
From Bakersfield.
Yes, Bakersfield, California. Woo! So go. And they're coming to the Sladies game on the 15th. Yeah!
Pow pow.
Yes.
In pink.
Yes. Yes.
Glitter pink.
Awesome. Hang out with Mule.
And my buddy Izzy, he's my range buddy. As you see, he could take a lot of hits and keep on smiling, you know. It's all about that mustache.
Yeah, sexy.
Yeah, look at him.
Destroyed him.
It's got a little herpes right there.
Michael 50, I love you, man. I love you.
I am hanging out in the Airsoft C3 booth right now, and this is a really cool new thing. I want these guys to tell you a little bit about it because you're going to want to check this out.
Yeah, so we're field finder, shop finder, team finder. We're just kind of trying to get a lot of information, make Airsoft a lot more accessible to everyone.
This is what the website looks like. You go to Airsoft C3. This is all shops, field, stores all over the U.S. So go to airsoftc3.com. You can search by field, shops, teams, everything. So anytime you're traveling, you can go check this out. You can see what stores are closest to you, what fields are closest to you. It's pretty awesome. I know there's a lot more stuff in the works, so you better go there. Stay tuned.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
I'm watching Sam and Nico fight. What do you think of the play?
What? What? No! No hold. Stick your legs! Stick your legs! All you have to do is pop one leg and do like that.
I am in the LevelCap booth now, checking out all of the new and beautiful HK stuff. Check out this Bro Drab, limited edition. I think they're only making 500 of them. Then, found my next gun. Available only at Evike.com. We're at the Ale House after Airsoftcon. Everybody say no. There's Matt. Matt. Say hi. It's Evike, Matt. Oh my God. Guess who's recording right now?
I'm recording!
DesertFox.
And I'm here with
Look at Clip.
from the Elite Force. And
Papa
Jason.
Clip.
We got Papa Bear. I gotta hold this out, but there we go. Papa Bear from Elite Force. And Jason, VooDoo Tactical.
Tactical. Oh, not shades. That's not shades.
Oh, that's
don't
not
record.
That is not shades.
Not shades,
That is
no.
not shades.
No, not shades.
Rio, Rick, American Milsim. American Milsim. Hey, Toby from the Evike store. Bo.
Wake up.
What up? American Milsim.
That's right, baby. That's right.
Callsign, how are we road?
Work hard, play hard. That's right. Get it on. Get it on. Get it on.
Ben, Polish store. Elite Force Vince. Oh, dude, we had a chaos. It's so good. It's not good.
Hey, let me tell you something. I'm in LA, roughly.
The camera got taken over. It got taken over.
Look at this DP. Look at this DP.
All right, Bo's got it now.
Look at this DP. You see this DP?
I see the D.
I see pecs for days.
Go B-Cap. Back for decades. What?
Yeah, pecs for decades. Hey.
She's still excited.
At the end of the day, we had a great time.
We did.
We enjoyed ourselves.
Sunday, October 19th, we are at SC Village playing. Show you who we're all hanging out with. Bill from Airsoft GI, Vince, Aaron, Jet, talking.
We're Skyping.
What up? It's Chris. He's getting B-roll because he's doing a kit video.
What? What? Acting like you know me. I see you looking at me, looking at you, looking at me.
I'm the guy impersonating the guy. I can't even do it right.
Think about it.
Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Can't touch this. Da, 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 da. Hammer time. Just waiting, as usual.
BB Hero table.
For lunch to be over, apparently.
Alright. Oh, wait.
What's up, Bo?
We were standing in front of our table of goodness, and this is what happens when you go out and you BB bore in the dust. Everything is laid out sweaty and stanky, but it sure is nice.
Stanky. So we had a fun day at SC, and now we're at dinner. If you guys want to see who's at dinner with us.
Everybody act natural.
Travis and Josh from Falcon. Jack. LevelCap! Oh my god!
Act natural. Act natural.
Miguel.
Act Natural.
I don't know who that is.
Act Natural.
Callsign Hollywood. And the Vince corner. Vince, and Vince, they all got the same thing to eat too.
They're splitting
And
a meal.
Gene.
Oh look, someone got message.
Oh, and we're playing the phone game. So
Tim was asking me why I don't know the AR.
So whoever touches their phone first has to pick up the tab. We're betting on
You got a text from Tim
because he's got his phone facing us.
That's work related. That's important.
Better pick up your phone, Gene.
I can type from here.
It's important.
Does that count?
Gene's paying the bill.
I didn't touch my phone.
We made it through dinner without anyone touching their phone so far. Except Gene. Gene's paying for dinner. Thanks, man.
Yeah, and he's in the cockpit. Like he's doing fine.
We've been talking about video games. Dinner's over. We've been talking about video games for like 20 minutes now. So we'll probably just be here all night.
He's good. His
He does